welcome back to So Alexa, and today we're making a white tank top.
For this project, you must use a 4-way stretch fabric. I'm using a Lycra fabric, and I'm using that same fabric for the main and lining pieces. Cut out your fabric pieces.
I initially made this tank top in a beige color, and I made it in a size large. My tip is to size down. The large it didn't lay on me as nicely as the medium. So the medium was a better choice for me. I just shortened the strap about 1/2 inch, size down, made it in a medium, and I also, on the third time, adjusted the strap. So I did this for the front and for the back pattern pieces.
Cut out both front and back pieces on the fold. You want to cut 2 pieces for the front and 2 pieces for the back. Place the front pieces on top of each other, right sides together. Sew together the armholes, neckline, and the waistline. Repeat for the back pieces. You can also use a serger. I just decided to use a zigzag stitch for this project. Here I'm just pinning everything together, the armholes, the neckline, and the waistline before I take it to the machine to sew. Pinning helps me out. If you just want to take it to the machine to sew, no pinning. That's up to you, but pinning helps me keep everything together and stabilized. I forgot to mention I'm using about a 3/8 inch for the seam allowance. Turn the front piece so that the right side is facing out. Keep the back piece on the wrong side. Insert the front inside the back piece between the layers. I use the safety pin to help guide the front strap through the back piece strap. If your lining pieces are a different color, make sure the lining front is facing the lining back and the main fabric front is facing the main fabric back. You want to pin the shoulder seams together, and you also want to do the same thing for the side seams. Sew together at the shoulder and side seams. Use a seam ripper to open the seam on the waistline and make a 2-inch hole. Through the hole, turn the top right side out. Per the pattern instructions, they suggest hand stitching to close that hole. I just took the opening to the machine and used a straight basting stitch to close that up. And that's it, we're all done.
I love this tank top. It is so cute. It is perfect for right now, for the summer. This pattern is really cool because it is intended to be reversible. So you can put, you know, 2 contrasting colors if you want to. I didn't, but I definitely wanted it to be something that was double lined. So I really love this top. I plan on making it in almost every color. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know.
Thanks for watching.